to anybody who sort of has their eyes on the business pages and understands how much capital continues to flow into high carbon infrastructure that will last 50 years, and another eye on carbon counts and knows anything about climate science, there's a picture that's beginning to emerge, right? All of us see pixels of this picture. And it's getting clearer and clearer as time goes on what we're in for. When we think about 6 degrees of warming, which is what the International Energy Agency has confirmed we're on track for, this is not something we survive. This is not something we adapt to. This is not something our economy grows through. This is the collapse of civil society. So when I compare us to a frog in water, I am not kidding, right? That we are in mortal danger. And it's not alarmist to say that. But I think more importantly for me that comparison is interesting because I'm interested not in the bad actors and just say, well, it's Exxon's fault or it's people who drive Hummers. That's too easy. It doesn't mean, we all are part of the same problem, all of us. And so I'm interested in what lies underneath, right, the tectonic plates beneath this sort of civic society that we've built. Right? I'm interested in how we think. I'm interested in how our companies operate. I'm interested in how markets operate, how we do economic analyses. These are the tectonic plates that sit underneath all of that activity. These are the equivalent of the DNA in the little froggy's nervous system that keeps it from moving. And if we can find out what those things are, then presumably we can unlock them. Sometimes we're using the wrong language. Right? And sometimes foggy generalizations are actually more accurate than highly precise statements. The right description for climate is, it's frightening as hell, we don't know what's going to happen, let's try to stop it as best we can. The cost that we bear to fix our climate problem is like insurance. We know that kind of language, right? We buy insurance for our homes, let's buy insurance for the planet. Wake up! That's all we have to do, is wake up. Because we're human beings, for God's sake. We're not the frog, right? We can wake up. That's all we have to do.